A sea driver experiences a pathological condition termed bends if it floats up very fast. This phenomenon can be explained by what? ठीक है, तो this problem can be explained by Henry's law. अब ये Henry's law है क्या और ये problem क्या है, दोनों चीज़ें समझो ना, so that you will not forget Henry's law also and you will not forget physiological problem which is called as bends. देखिए Henry's law क्या बोलता कि जैसे जैसे we know this law, बस ये हमको पता नहीं कि हमको हेनरी ने बताया है. As such all of us know this. You will tell me the answer that as pressure increases, say for example, if I say the amount of gas that is absorbed in the liquid will be more or it will be less. As the pressure increases, the amount of gas that is absorbed in the liquid is more, of course. Correct? This is what is Henry's law. Vice versa, he says that as temperature increases, correct, the amount of gas that is absorbed in the liquid will be, as the temperature increases, the amount of gas that is absorbed in a liquid will be less. गर्म किया पानी तो सारे गैसेस उसमें से निकल गए बाहर. As the temperature increases, the gas that is absorbed is less. This is what is Henry's law. अब bends, what is bends? What is problem which is called as bends? How many of us do swimming? Anybody? We go underwater? Yes or no? When we go underwater, or chalo, we have not experienced swimming. We have experienced what happens to us जब हम suddenly बहुत हाई एल्टीट्यूड से हमारी गाड़ी स्पीड से नीचे आती. नो वी फील समथिंग इन आवर ईयर्स एज इफ ऐसे कान ऐसे एयर फ्लाइट से कभी कभी लैंड होते वक्त, कभी कभी रोड पे जस्ट ऑन द रोड वेरी स्टीप, ऊपर चढ़ते वक्त नहीं होता, नीचे जाता. Suddenly you feel that there is pressure on your ears. Something like this is happening to the sea driver, scuba driver वाला बंदा. वो अंदर गया नीचे deep down, तो there inside there is a lot of pressure of water. जब आप पानी के अंदर एक 9 फीट के पूल के अंदर भी आप नीचे जाओ तो आपको कान पे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई दबा रहा है, मतलब there is a lot of pressure. मतलब all the gases that are inside your body are more absorbed in your blood. Blood is a liquid. Nitrogen is more absorbed in your blood. Everybody clear? This is what happens to us. Swimming pool is like just 4 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, बहुत हो गया. But scuba divers are going really, really deep. Correct? Now what is happening is as they are going deep, इतना pressure हो रहा कि all the gas is absorbed in their blood. Nitrogen, for example. Now what happens is as the scuba diver, क्या होता? The scuba diver should come up slowly. जैसे उसको कुछ तकलीफ हुई हो क्या करता, सट से ऊपर आता. वी ऑल्सो डू दिस स्विमिंग पूल में. एज वी गो डाउन झट से वी कम आउट, राइट. वी शुड बी डूइंग इट स्लोली. स्कूबा ड्राइवर्स दे आर डूइंग इट इंस्टेंटली. अब जैसे ही वो झट से ऊपर आए क्या हुआ, जो नाइट्रोजन एब्जॉर्ब हुआ वो बाहर निकल नहीं पाया. अगर वो स्लोली आते तो बाहर निकल जाता, रिलीज हो जाता, लेकिन वो फट से बाहर आए तो व्हाट हैपेंड, द नाइट्रोजन इज कमिंग इनसाइड द ब्लड. It is the entire nitrogen is accumulating in the blood, and that nitrogen causes damage to your veins, to your lymphatic system, and that becomes a physiological condition which is called as bends. आई बात समझ में? खेल किसका है? हेनरीज रूल का है. हेनरी रूल बोल रहा कि जितना प्रेशर जाता उतना गैस एब्जॉर्ब होता. स्लोली प्रेशर कम करते जाओ, गैस अपने आप से रिलीज हो जाती थी, तकलीफ नहीं होती. बट इफ द पेशेंट इज डूइंग इट इंस्टेंटली, पेशेंट मतलब स्कूबा ड्राइवर, then he will have problem which is called as bends. Everybody clear? This is about bends. Yes, doubt solving is easy at BCC.